Hello, we will create another boat which will use again NURBS curves, but will be with V shape of the sections. Okay, start. Basic boat V. 7 meters long, great. Okay, this is what we have from the beginning. This is upside, right side, backside view, 3D. We have this. Okay, let me start. Right side, pop it a little bit up. Section, backside. Okay, like this. Right side, I like that. Some angle on the stern. Update, saving changes. So, the queue. One more control point after K2. Okay. One more control point after K3. Edit. Okay, like this. Could be to add here one more control point and the queue will be more straight. K2, adding, okay, like this. Even could be like this, like this. Even could be more control points, but this is just simple boat and only this for the beginning. Okay, let me add one board line. 8. Okay, what we have? In 3D, I will switch off dimensions. Backside. The shape is not bad. The shape is not bad, even with only one additional board line. Here we can tuning if you like. Okay. It's better to be like this. Maybe if this line, if it's a little bit bottom. Okay, we have bought some more sections. Let me see dimensions. Okay. We have bought very fast, very easy. Here with print sections. You can save one Excel file. In this Excel file, I press it twice. In this Excel file, for every one of the sections, you have many points, 50 points, which are on the curve. For every one of them, you have 100 points on the queue, and you have 50 points for the stern. Also recalculated with this angle here. With these points, you are able to produce every one of the sections, the queue, you know the places where to put the sections. You can assemble them, you can punking, you're ready. You have boat. Thank you for watching. You can save here like picture, you can save here, you can print from here with dimensions, you can print in every view. That's all. Thank you for watching.